Alright guys, I ordered the 269 piece, that new one from Stanley. 269 piece mechanics tool set from Menards. There's no Menards around me, so that discount, mail-in discount, I don't know how that's going to work. I know you can only use them at a Menards, so what are you going to do? Anyway, they kind of just put a piece of cardboard over the front. Everything else is exposed. I'll show you. It says exactly what it is. So, it tells you what's in it. All right here. Sure, that really doesn't matter because we're about to get into it. So, let's turn around, open her up, and here we go. Out of curiosity, what is on the other side of here? Nothing. Okay. Anyway, of course, everything is jostled around. Let me take a minute and let me get out of the package, get out of the box, and then here we go. Then I'll take a minute and put everything in its place. There we go. Alright, let me put on pause. Alright, we're all straightened out. Of course, comes with the three main ratchets, the 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4 inch. These are the 72 tooth ratchets. They came with that black chrome universal set that I have, except they're not black chrome. Anyway, what I did notice about these ratchets, for some reason, you hit that and out, that pops a tiny bit, but that's okay. It's not going to get in the way. Who cares? Just an observation. Other than that, the ratchets are perfect. Anyway, it looks like down here we got the 1/4 inch, 5/32, the 1/2 right here. Let's see, 1/4 inch right here, from 4 to 14. Does not skip right there. Then we got the 3/8. From right here, the shallows, from 1/4 to 3/4, which isn't bad. Then you have the millimeters, 6mm to 19, which is about average that I've seen on some sets, especially ones that I have. And up here you have the 1/2 inch shallows, from 3/8 to 13/16. Would have been nice to have a little bigger one, but I have them. I have bigger ones anyway. And a 13 to a 21mm. You have your step down from 3/8 to 1/4, and a step up from 1/4 to 3/8. Whole bunch of bits. That is what's 7.5 rows of them, which takes up a lot of the 269 piece, but you know, who's counting? Actually, I am. Anyway, you have the Allen's standard and metric right here. These bags, as usual, with a lot of their stuff. Two sizes of spark plug sockets. You got the 13/16 and the 5/8. 5/8 is what you use on most cars. Then you have your extensions here. You have a 3/8 extension right here. You have 1/2 inch, which it looks like the higher count ones from Stanley get. You have your quarter right here, and you don't have we don't have a short short 3/8, which is interesting. The standard crappy screwdriver handle, the adapter right there for the screwdriver handle. Right there. Yeah, man. There. Boom. Put in the bits there. That sucker does not want to come out. There we go. Could be a good thing. And then we turn her over. Oh yeah, we got all these specialty, the Torx right here. Sorry, the Torx from 15 up to 40. Reasonable. And the Hex 5 to 10, it skips some sizes there. Then you have the other side here. Let's bring it back. The other side. All your nut drivers. Hate nut drivers. Have so many of them. And you have your standard short Allen keys, standard metric Allen keys, and then we have our wrenches that go from 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, and 5/8. Then we have our extension, our deep wells, and all the Stanley 6-point. They're all 6-point, and they all have the max drive, where it doesn't push on the corner. And the deep wells go from 3/8 to 11/16 and 10 to 17 millimeters on the 3/8. Then you get the quarter from 4 to 14, and then 5/32 to half. Which, like I said before in another video, if you're going to go up to like a good 14 or half, might as well go up to a 3/8 socket, because that bolt is pretty big for a quarter. You can do it, but not always good. And the case is nice. As you go like that, you close it up. Has the 4 points. Closes. And there you go. Big Stanley on it, which is nice. Nothing on the other side, of course. And let's see how it held up. Not bad. Could be better. And this guy goes right there. Okay. I guess if I put a piece of cardboard in there, it'll hold up better, like I do my other ones. So, but yeah, that's nice. 269 piece. Some of the largest I've seen from Stanley. My other one, 235, that was the largest that I've seen until this one. And for $100 at Menards, wasn't too bad. Not too shabby. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.